We're at beautiful Bar Lake at the Old Stone House today, getting ready for our fall fundraiser on October 16th. I hope that you have purchased your tickets. If you haven't, please go to the Bird Conservancy website and do that. It is so gorgeous out here. This is where all the education happens, and it's a place where one of our rock stars, Arvind Panjabi, hangs out from time to time. You know Arvind. He is the birding expert of the Rocky Mountain Range, and you're going to have an opportunity to be able to bid on birding with Arvind from wherever you would like along the Front Range. Perhaps you'll come here to the Old Stone House at Bar Lake. Incredible birding opportunities here, or maybe you'll pick a location closer to your home. Either way, when you hang out with Arvind, you are sure to not be disappointed. So we'll see you on auction night, October 16th. Can't wait. See you there.